If you're looking to purchase a new iPhone using your Apple Card, you are in the right place because Apple Card makes it easy to buy Apple products while earning daily cash and in many cases taking advantage of monthly installment payments. And in this walkthrough, we are going to show you the entire process step by step. So start by opening the Apple Store app on your iPhone or visit the Apple website because Apple offers a wide range of iPhone models, including the latest releases and the previous generation devices. So browse through all the available iPhones and select the model you'd like to purchase. For example, let's say iPhone 17 Pro. And then once you've selected an iPhone model, choose your preferred color, storage capacity, maybe if you wanted a carrier option, if applicable, a trade-in preferences, and review your selections carefully before continuing. All I have to do now is click the buy button and then add the iPhone to your bag. You see this option right here. And then after configuring your device, click the add to cart. You'll be taken to a summary page where you can review the iPhone model, storage size, pricing, trade-in credits if it's applicable. If everything looks correct, proceed to the checkout process. Now, during checkout, navigate to the payment section. Select Apple Card as your preferred payment method. Depending on your eligibility, you may see options such as pay in full with Apple Card, Apple Card monthly installments, other available financing options, and choose the option that best fits your needs. If Apple Card monthly installments are available for your purchase, of course, you need to carefully review these details before moving forward. And then complete the purchase. Click the place your order. You may be asked to verify the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Once verified, Apple will process your order. After the purchase is complete, you'll receive an order confirmation email and you can track your order through your Apple account or the Apple Store app. You'll also be able to review your Apple Card transaction directly in the Wallet app. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to use Apple Card to buy an iPhone. Whether you're paying in full or taking advantage of Apple Card monthly installments, the process is straightforward and can provide valuable daily cash rewards. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.